So if you don't know what Bitcoin is, I'm pretty sure you heard what Bitcoin is, but I'm going to try to explain it like if I'm a 5-year-old baby. Like, this is the simplest way I can explain it. So it's a digital currency, okay? And it only has a limited amount of 21 million, okay? To be exact, it is decentralized. So if you don't know what decentralized means, it means no banks. It's not controlled by the government. And you basically could able to send it person to person virtually. So think of like PayPal, Venmo, like virtually. But it's basically sent in
decentralized network.
Yeah, decentralized network, which is called the blockchain, and it's blockchain technology. And the blockchain technology, the simplest way I can explain it is basically it's made up, encrypted of codes of security. It's like a huge code, and it's recorded, and it can never be duplicated. It's just the one unique code the whole entire time, and it'll be locked in. So it's really hard to hack, which quote unquote hack, because it has happened. There's been a case which in a case there has been a point where Bitcoin did get hacked, but
that was
years ago. But pretty much it's a new type of technology,
but there's a limited amount of
Bitcoin.
And then the only way to get the Bitcoin is either you buy it on the market or you mine it. Which,
as years goes on, it's called a halving as well. It's like the value of basically of its rarity gets higher and higher. So the mining gets harder and harder to mine, pretty much.
And then that mining, I heard from the network, is also it's in the blockchain that produce help.
Yep. So basically, if you're a miner, you're helping the transactions and letting it happen, storing the data and calculating it. That's what it is. Think of like a server room. That's what you are. You're mining. That's what it is. Yep. That's the best way that I can explain it. And the closest way to compare Bitcoin would be gold.
Which is a limited amount.
And it's rare, but it's a physical form instead of a digital.
Earth.
Yeah.
And then you have to mine it.
Yeah.
On the earth.
That's the best like small minimum 5-year-old explanation I could explain.
Yeah,
right?
that's pretty clear.
Yeah. But there's a lot of documentaries online about Bitcoin and just in general.
Watch them.
Yeah. Blockchain technology stuff. Lots of them, all for free, honestly.